I emailed him. No, you forwarded me, and so I emailed him. You're going to hear this conversation on the video. Watch. No, those are Mommy's books. I got the books today. Hey, do you want to feed your doggy outside again?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. I'll follow you. Watch where you're going. I'm coming. Come on. What's that? Oh, yep, that's Daddy's, isn't it? Is that Dada's? Yeah. Are you going to feed your doggy? Does your doggy need some water? Yeah, that's your doggy. Does it need some water? Yeah, in the bowl? Are you going to give it in the bowl again?
Yeah.
Yeah? What? You going to give the doggy water?
Yeah.
Over here. Right there. That water down there? You going to feed your doggy again down there? You see it? Down there? You going to put your doggy in the bowl?
Yeah.
Yeah, you say yeah, but I don't really believe you. Oh, way to prove your mommy wrong. Yeah, is it eating? Good job. That's Daddy's fishing pole. Please don't touch it. Oceanna Rose, please don't touch it. Yeah, Dada, please don't touch it. Yeah, is that the doggy? And your baby, very good. Uh-oh, you threw your purse, didn't you? I have a calling card. You want to call me back? Okay, bye. Uh-oh, is the purse out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you going to do? Mama's not going to get it. Do you have another purse inside? You're not going to throw your baby. No. Not the puppy. Don't throw the puppy. Puppy's hungry. You're going to go get a purse from your toy box? Uh-oh. What are you doing? Don't throw oh, no! The dolly went all the way down. Poor dolly. It looks impaled on the flowers. Bye-bye, dolly. You going to say bye-bye to the dolly? Oh, I can't get that dolly for you. It's gone. Yeah, the doggy's gone too. You going to say bye-bye to them? You waving? You can't climb that.